how court is looking into, or how IP offices are looking into it. So, you can just check here that if you see the court system, if you see the Australian Federal Court here, what they are talking about, they have given the option of determining inventorship, and the suggestions are giving that given by the Australian court that owner of the machine running the artificial intelligence software, that the developer, so you have to think about the developer, think about means whether we can give the inventorship to that software developer, or we can think about the source code copyright who has kind of written. So, we know that the author, that source code is like written, author is a like owner. So, you think about in case of a copyright, whosoever has written that code, he will be the author, and author is the owner as per Copyright Act. So, that is another suggestion is coming. Next suggestion is that an individual who inputs the data, because this is a machine is working based on the data. So, which data should be fed to that machine? Who is deciding? Obviously, individual is deciding. So, consider whether that individual will be the inventor. That is another kind of a suggestion is there. If you see the UK that office, actually they are like a expanding definition of inventor to include human responsible for a AI system generating invention. So, they have just considered that particular factor, that human responsible for an AI system generating invention. So, that as an inventor, that one thing, I guess that is a simple and very good move by the UK IP office, that human intervention, we are talking about a microbiology related that patents, we are talking about a human intervention. So, similarly, here they are suggesting human intervention, the person who is responsible for that particular artificial intelligence system. Now, allowing AI to be named as an inventor or protecting AI devised inventions through means, that is a like they are suggesting, but that is under deliberation, that is not accepted, because if you see the patent granted by EU or European that Union or UK, the number is very less actually, right. As usual, US is always like anything under the sun will be patentable. So, you can just see the, if you see the data, you will see that particular difference actually. So, just check